Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cosmos Subconscious Life. And here I plotted some SNR levels depends upon the 4 hours candlestick time frame. And see, now I'm going to show you how I plotted some SNR levels. See, this is 4 hours candlestick time frame, and I am zooming out. Okay, zooming out with the help of Fibonacci level. I drawn two levels here at 61.8 and 38.2 covered with the yellow level, because those are very important as per Fibonacci ratios. And I draw some levels in between 61.8 and 50. See, 61.8 and 50, like this way. I plotted some levels because see, one level at the high point, all time high as per 4 hours candlestick in this time frame, in this screen. And another level as per this green candle high, and another level as per this green candle close. Okay, another level as per this red. Is there any level? No, it's drawn as per my, I think, 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame. I got this is a key level, that's why I drawn this. Okay, no problem. That key level also working here okay. And I will show you by zooming it in 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame. Okay, now this level is formed at color change level. See, this red candle close and this green candle open is there. It's covered this level, and this level also covered, and this level is covering this low, and this level is covered this green candle open, and this level is covered this low and this low. So that's why I plot total 3 supports and 3 resistance, and I already show you some high support and high resistance also. Okay, long distance. Okay, now I'm going to show you how these levels are working in 2 hours. We need strong support and resistance, that's why I did this. See, in mobile we are struggling to draw SNR levels by zooming out. This is the easiest way. Okay, see, always our market is in our control. If we know candlestick patterns, if we know some reversal signs, then as per levels only we can trade. Okay, now this yellow line is worked as a key level. This is bearish engulfing, and when this red candle is crossed this green candle, so it's a key level. That's why I drawn this. And this is also key level in some other time frame. It will be helpful for, I will show you. Okay, no problem. Okay, here also bearish engulfing, same key level is working. Okay, now have a look in 1 hour time frame. See, in 2 hours time frame there is an inverted hammer, right? Remember this. Okay, 1 hour time frame is showing. Okay, no problem. Okay, see how this key level is working here also. Okay, bullish candle and strong pin bar and reversing the market and bear centered, and this bear candle crossed this level, so this is a key level in 1 hour candle. In 2 hour candle we are simply got a bullish angle, bearish angle thing. And at the same time, now we have to have a look on 30 minutes time frame. Okay, let's wait. Website is taking so much time. Website is taking so much time. Wait a minute. Okay, this is 30 minutes time frame. See, market is always under our levels. These levels are drawn as per 4 hours candlestick time frame, as per open and as per close and as per some other levels. We got this, and this is the round number. We have to draw on that level also. At any time suddenly market will reach that level, round level will work. The news is also there, but round level will support us. Okay, that's why at key levels and round numbers I am using that white line. Okay, and here also one round number is there, but exactly there is a yellow line, no problem. Okay, the round number worked very well, and yellow line also there, yellow level. And I'm going to show you 15 minutes time how the market is in between our lines only. See how each and every candlesticks open, high, low, close, always in between our levels. Okay, now I'm going to show you 10 minutes time frame. See, in 2 hours candlesticks we got a inverted hammer here. See, in 10 minutes candlestick we got a strong seller's entry, strong downtrend. See, I am going to draw one downtrend here from here to here. Okay, that's enough. Let's close and see. Okay, this green candle is closed. This green candle is closed below the level. That means trend will continue. If this green candle continue, if this green candle crosses this level, then buyers will enter. Then at the same time strong sellers also there. Now no problem, I will take some trade at that level. 5 minutes, we have a look on 5 minutes. Website is not responding very fastly, no problem. Today only I deposited $10 and I got some emotional, I did some emotional trades because I deposit first time. That's why I got some losses because low volume also there, and at the same time I managed my loss also. See, I'm going to show you my trading history. 3 losses and 4 win, and this is another time session. So daily 3 to 4 sessions I am doing in real account. See, still seller's pressure is there and buyer's pressure also there. This key is working, this key level is working. Okay, when this price reaches up, I'm going to keep it. Okay, now have a look in 2 minutes. And before going to 2 minutes, we have to try a level. Why the price is closing like this way? Okay, is there any level? We have to check. Okay, no need. Okay, we got it. Downtrend is working, and now we have to look on 1 minute time frame. See how the ranging market is there in between our key levels. Got it? Still by sellers are not giving, not using their powers to go down. Okay, still buyers and sellers pressure is also there. Okay, let's move. So this is the way to how to trade on strong levels, how to plot strong SNR levels also. So now buyers entered very strongly. Let's have a look how buyers will close. Is there any chance to break that level or close it below that level? We are going to keep it because a strong downtrend is also there. Still 15 seconds is there to close that candle. Close it below the level. I think it will close below that level only. Next candle will red. Yes, next candle will red. Break at that level, man. We missed the point. Missed that entry point. Shit. Missed that entry point. See this red candle, that inverted hammer, break at that level, but level is also there. So that's why I'm going to keep put for some time because strong downtrend is there. That's why I kept my put there because I lost my entry point here. Of course buyers are there, but my hope is buyers will close below this level only. That's why I kept put there. Still 22 seconds are there. Have a look in 5 minutes. Okay, bullish engulfing is formed. It breaks that level completely. I'm going to lose this trade, no problem. Still buyers are there. Wait for a perfect level, no problem. Giving enough expiry time is also very important in binary trading, because we are this is actually not a trading, this is just like a betting. From here market will price will go up, from here market price will go down, just like that only we are betting the price movements and candlestick formations only. So that's why be careful with binary tradings. Without subject, don't enter. If you have more emotion when you lose, this is not helpful for you. Still we have so much time, man. Let's see what's happening in 1 minute. Sellers are using their pressures. I think buyers will break that level, I think. See, percentage is also decreasing, so try to avoid this trade. In this percentage, we don't need to do any risk, because binary trading means we have to get 90% or 80% profit. So that's why try to avoid this type of trades when percentage is below 80% or 85%. Okay, hope this video will be helpful for you all.